Menteri rang ba kejelau Conrad kongkal sangma, ulaong ba Pdiang sobhai ki MLA ke Kongres ke belawan ajing kershan, ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA, naga benta ban kershan bat ban penklan cusyu ke Sorkar, ban kentiu ke bahak Miat, jong ki Paidbah kejela. Ulaong ba ulapan Sngewbha ki MLA ke Kongres halor kimat ke bag Sorkar kelashim kia, kam tama ke bedai bag jing pen bej uput usam, bat hagi singi banwan. On selum ke jing yalang bat ki babun balang ban pentip iki, halor kimat ke bedai bat ke jing pen bej uput usam. Conrad kongkal sangma ulaong basyan un salumya ke jingyalang jong kenhun MDA banekaran ha kebaidai ba ke jinglong jingman jong ka kamsan perthai ha kejela. Halor ke jingkeli ba ke BJP kamje trailang ber keseng kongres baratu ke BJP kanom konyo ke jingdon lang ke kongres ha ke kenhun MDA. Conrad kongkal sangma ulaong bahaga kamsan perthai om judan unong shun ubasirta. Ndrai barok sengsan perthai laki dai kino kibu syai ka baha kamiat jong Paidbah bat ki MLA ke Kongres ke lepen pau bagi kuat ban ai jing trailang na ke benta ka baha kamiat jong Paidbah kumta kitap da ke jing kemen ban trailang bat ki Menteri rangba ulaong syok ba ke jing te kular bat ki parlok ki bedan hapo ke kenhuan MDA kan yai beteng bat ne bit kumjo bat kamdon kano ke jing kta na ke jing penken ya ke jing te kular bat on omle kiar ru iki parlok ki bedan ha ke kenhuan MDA Henry on yaikan mau bet gitu ke bedan rengkat hakapor begidan hapdeng gijing e.
The five leaders and MLAs of the Congress Legislature Party. Out of the five of them, four were present. One had another program. But a letter of support where the signature of all the five MLAs was submitted to me, where the MLAs of the Indian National Congress have decided to join the MDA government from the 8th of February 2022, and they wish to support the MDA to strengthen the government's arms and the decision making so as to ensure that their joint efforts will take the state forward in the general interest of its citizens. I welcome the CLP MLAs of the Congress Legislature Party into the MDA, and I thank them for the support that they are offering to the government, and we are happy to accept their support. I have communicated that to them. At the same time, I have also taken the opportunity to brief them on a large number of issues that are related to the state, along with a detailed briefing on the border issue that was there, and brief inputs on the reports that were submitted to the Government of India. I had already intended to meet all the different stakeholders in this regard, as many as possible. I may not be able to meet all, and give them a brief report on the report that was submitted on the border issue. So in the coming days, either myself or the honorable chairmen of the different committees will be meeting different stakeholders, and will be also briefing them also regarding the brief kind of outlines of what was discussed in the, or what were the conclusions that took place in the border resolution that we are trying to work towards. In politics, as we all say, there is no permanent friend, no permanent enemy. We are here to really see ultimately all political parties, whichever party they belong to. We always are there to see that we see the people's interest. And therefore, based on the conditions or the reasons that the Congress MLAs have put that they want to come in for the interest of the people. So therefore, when our interests align, then definitely we are also happy to work with them. Those are political differences that are there at the party level. But when it comes to the state, I'm happy if we can work unitedly.
Ha kabayday ba gajingray ka KHADC banom ay jing menjur banchna iklentirel ha distrik Ribhoy. Nagaliang menteri rang ba kejela uloong ba ke Sorkar jela kan om yorot yunuru unrai kene selok bat barok ke bedan benta halor kejing temu banchna iklentirel ha distrik Ribhoy. Bat ula banjur ba kejing don karel kitmar kan ajing mentoy ki Paidbah ba kejela barok kawai. Habai keren bikinong pathai kubor Conrad kongkal sangma uloong bag Sorkar jela kan se selok bat kaki HADC bat barok ke bedon benta ban penyak cakmat yakni ke projek ha jela. Uloong bagani ke projek kadai ke bahaya kumta kalong ke bakongsan man sengap ke sur jong ubabun balang But omla ban chiyo right na markan kam kalong ka bakhya bha kumta dei tanglang ba ka jinga selok ka bala ban wengi ka jing e baro. Bat ka sarkar jela kan yai beteng banyakran bat ban ni selok bat ka HEDC bat baro ke bedon benta na ka benta ban penya chakmat agan ka project ka ban ajing mentoy ya ka jela.
And obviously, in a big project like this, one has to carry and take the stakeholders along. One cannot bulldoze big decisions like these, which are sensitive in nature. Therefore, it's always a process of consultation and discussion that can resolve these issues. So yes, there has been a concern from the KHDC, but the government of Meghalaya will continue to discuss with them and consult with all stakeholders to try and take this project forward. As a government, we strongly feel that goods train up to Banihat is something that will be beneficial for the state. We strongly have seen that in the past, there have been many situations where, because of the truck movements not being allowed, because of coronavirus last time, we had great difficulty in getting even food essentials to our state. And the danger of the trucks coming in, the drivers coming in, bringing the virus was a major concern during the COVID-19. And if we had the goods railway station within our state, like we had in Mendi, in Garo Hills, it was of great benefit because we were able to keep our people safe and yet provide the goods to our people. So we strongly feel that while we still continue the consultation for passenger train, having a goods train coming into the state would be beneficial. And I strongly feel that if we are able to move in that line, we will be able to work with our stakeholders, different stakeholders, and find a way forward. And I strongly, as I said, feel once again that this is something that we require in the overall larger interest of the people of the state.